Students, we will carry on with the reforms carried out by the National Convention. First of all, the National Convention opened new schools. They supported the ideas of universal elementary education. They also encouraged religious toleration. They established a wage and price control to stop inflation, that is the rise of price. They adopted a metric system. They abolished slavery in the French colonies. Now, we'll discuss about the situation which took place in Austria and Prussia. Louis XVI had signed the constitution, but he entered into a secret negotiation with Austria and Prussia. Secret negotiation means secret agreement. The neighboring countries were worried, and this was also a cause of worry for the National Assembly. Finally, they voted in 1792 and declared war against Austria and Prussia. The incident which took place due to this was the storming of the Palace of Tuileries. On August 1792, nearly 30,000 French citizens, they attacked Prussia and Austria, and they found that Louis XVI was hiding along with his family. All of them were arrested, and the king was finally guillotined. Now, Louis XVI's head. This is a continuation of the same topic. January 21, 1793, Louis XVI was accused of plotting against the government and the National Convention and against France. This was enough to prove that Louis XVI was guilty of treason. After these incidents, certain political clubs were formed, and many clubs were formed as they wanted that the revolution should be carried further, as the constitution gave political rights to the rich people only. Before that, the women were not given any voting right, and one of such clubs was the Jacobin Club. Jacobin Club was a leading club and which played a very important role in the French Revolution. It was the most famous political club of the French Revolution, so called from the Dominican convent where they originally met in Rue Saint-Jacques, Latin Jacobus, Paris. The earlier members were Mirabeau and Abbe Sieyès. Jacobins were called Sans-Culottes. Maximilien Robespierre and Abbe Sieyès, they belonged to noble family. Maximilien Robespierre was born on May 6, 1718, where his father was based as an advocate. He, along with other leaders, played a very vital role in the French Revolution. The Jacobins were also known as Sans-Culottes. We have come to the end of this unit, and we'll carry on further with the other topic in the next unit.